So tonight, I'm gonna show you another gift.
I picked this for myself again.
Thank you for the sponsor,
Thank you for the sponsor.
Dada and Tita Jason.
Dada and Tita Jason. Animal ko.
Okay, so who's the first one? Who's that?
This is not the first one.
Which one is the first one? Okay, kitchen toys. Ipadoon sa ipadoon. Kitchen toys.
That's mine.
Okay, tomorrow na i-open kay. Gagmay kaayo. Kanilang si baby next.
Tomorrow lang ako i-open eh.
Okay.
Wake up na ako.
Okay, next one. Oh, napitingog. Who's that?
The baby string.
Okay, you have name na.
Yaya.
So, the color blue, name.
Yaya.
Huh?
Yaya.
Yaya. And the other one?
Shelfie.
Huh?
Shelfie.
Shelfie? Shelfie and Yaya. Dili Yoyo? Lucky man.
Yoyo.
Si Yoyo and Shelfie. So, the lady, ang babae is Shelfie. And lalaki is Yoyo.
This is not a babae.
Girl and boy, mong good na.
Open it.
Okay.
Open it.
Go. Okay, we're gonna open the box. Uy. Okay, so Yiyu and Shelfie.
Stop.
Start.
Go.
You okay? Oh, wow. Di ba kita ba? Padool sa sila. Padool sa sila. So this is Yiyo, Yoyo, and Shelfie. Yoyo and Shelfie. Okay, the new baby of Khaleesi. So, ato na i-open adi para matangtang sila. Okay, you know how to do it? Ay, ilan ang kuna? Dra.
Mama, take off siya.
Oh. Wait lang.
Natuko siya. Yoyo.
Ito po. Dra.
This
Dara!
is Shelfie. Si Shelfie.
Si Yoyo, Nana, hello. Hi, I'm Yoyo. Dara. Si Shelfie na po next. Ako nang tangtang. Next, dara. Si Shelfie, hello guys. I'm Shelfie. Ang kuna, ang kuna, ibutang sila. Wow, rock, baby. Rock-a-bye, baby. Ano mo na, baby? Rock-a-bye, baby.
Pwede mo hita.
Barog lang sila. Kaya di sila kaigong duha. Oh, tapad man na sila. Mag-play man na sila. Okay, ato i-swing. Try dog swing. Where are you going?
Come here.
Diri lang.
Halika.
Layo na kayo. Wait sa. Taro nga. Okay. Rock-a-bye. Uy! Nabugatan. Again. Balance, i-balance.
Uni usala.
Asa lang. Isa-isa lang sila. Okay. Sige, rock. Na, 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 na. Your feet down, please. Feet down. Okay, na. Ay! Nahulog. O, next na po daw.
Oh.
Upaw. Walay hair. Okay. Gidaw, paduduya da. Padudu daw. Dudu na. Hungry na daw siya.
Asa?
Nimo. Mama mo kanila. Dudu daw sila.
Asan ka ng akong batol?
Uwa! I'm hungry. Pahig na siya. Ana, bapalin. Di na mao. Ana, good. Baliktad yung hand. Na, okay, practice gyud. You're having a brother or sister ba? Joke lang.
Mama.
Na, 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 na.
Dapat mama.
Mama, call you mama. Oh, ang usa na po ni Uwa. Si Yoyo na pod. Kali. Uwa, I'm hungry, mommy. Mommy, come, I'm hungry. Uwa. Can I do that too? Rod? O, kutimpla another one kay hungry na si Yoyo. Oh, Khaleesi is mixing another batch of milk for Yo-Yo because Yo-Yo is hungry. Okay, you're done? Good job. Okay. Yo-Yo's hungry. Hungry, hungry. Oh, thank you, Mommy Khaleesi. Ni-burp na. Busog na si Yo-Yo. Lie down na sila duha. Lie down na.
Morning.
Sa ubos na si Kuan Yo-Yo. Ara. Ara lang siya. Kaya pa man siya bed. Mag-make lang tag-bed for him. Gina. Na ako'y bed nilang duha. Indon ka tomorrow. I gonna surprise for you. Sige na. Okay. Shh. Yo-Yo and what's the name? Si Chelsea. Yo-Yo and Chelsea is sleeping. Shh. Okay, your next gift is? Kani. Kasi, kanina na lang. Si Bruno na lang. Okay. So, what's that? It's a whiteboard eraser. I know. So, whiteboard eraser. Okay, you're next. Okay, this one. Ayaw, open. Tomorrow na. Tomorrow. What's that, Kali? Next is, this is the refillable ink for the whiteboard. Whiteboard pentel pen. And this one is the pentel pen. Refillable. So next, you have a nice pencil. Kali, what's that? It's a pencil. Oh wow, mailis-ilis, right? Okay, so that's end our video. Kaya natulog na si Yo-Yo ang Chelsea.
Boy, take care.
Oh, i-take care pa ni Mami Khaleesi. So, bye-bye na si imong...
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Just follow and...
Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.